Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete account bio history in Instagram. So first, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page by tapping your profile image in the lower right corner. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now tap on settings and tap your activity. Click on account history and you should see a summary of all the changes made to your account. Among these are all the times you edited your Instagram bio. You can find the bio you've been missing in this list and copy and paste it into your profile. These steps of how to see your old Instagram stories will pull up a list of all of your old Instagram bios. This works on both personal and business accounts. It will show you all the bios used since your account's creation. The Instagram Bio History app does not allow strangers to view your bios. The history is only available to you as the account holder. However, you should always know that your bio can be seen and saved by anyone. So now, you cannot delete your old Instagram bios within the Access Data section of Instagram. You may have noticed that the old Instagram bio disappeared when you updated it to something new. Your bio history is permanently tied to your Instagram account. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.